Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Intercom for onboarding UI chat experiences, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with Intercom, visit the official Intercom website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password and enter it in the designated field. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, you will receive a verification email. Check your inbox and locate the email from Intercom. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Once verified, return to the Intercom website to log in. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. Upon logging in, you will be directed to a setup page. Fill in the required fields, including your company name and size. Select your industry from the drop-down menu. Enter your website URL in the relevant field. Customize your preferences for product updates and communications as required. After completing these fields, click on Continue. You will now set up your Intercom workspace. Choose your workspace name and select a default language. Next, you'll customize your onboarding chat experience. Select the type of onboarding flow that best suits your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to design your chat interface. You can choose from templates or create a chat experience from scratch. Once satisfied with your design, save your changes. Next, integrate Intercom with your existing tools if needed. Choose the integrations that are relevant to your business. Follow the prompts to connect these tools seamlessly. After integrations, you will explore various features offered by Intercom. Review the documentation and guides available for best practices. Finally, ensure everything is set up by conducting a test chat. Engage with your onboarding UI chat experience to verify functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.